Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you guys are keeping well. May Allah bless you wherever you are. There is so many days of gap that I've been never came up to this platform and speak to you. Anyhow, I am in touch with all my friends and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Life is sometimes very busy, sometimes we are free, we have time, but make sure I am with you with full my support. So actually, I got a story to share with you. Like almost more than 2 months or like that, we have been trying for our vaccine very hard, which we cannot get. So finally we have some clues like this. Now this week, like almost every day we are going here and there, checking on clinics to get our appointment, because for every time, for not every time, for everything there is a right time, right? So we also believe so. Well, there is, some, first we got appointment, then we cancel it because it was very far. So then we was thinking, okay, we can get appointment nearby. Whenever we get appointment or something, something come up, we cannot manage to go to get our vaccine. So finally now we are really really in, because now in Malaysia they is open, we can go around and all. So for that, vaccine is really compulsory. So we are right now so much eager to get our vaccine. And so now we are running here and there. So this is our, this drive is also a part of getting vaccination, in search of vaccination. So we got the went to the clinic and they gave us appointment on Friday. They say they will call, but because now they are already limited the people, so it's like 20 people per day. So we have to, let's say we have to wait for our turn. Well, we are just, because we was supposed to go after 2 days, but then we cannot go. Maybe they have more people, they didn't call us. Well, we thought better go and just have a look. So what happened, be with us and watch my video till the end. At least if you can't watch really till the end, at least watch for 4 minutes, like that. Give me your 4 minutes. That's what friends are for. So here we are going. You see the weather, actually nowadays the weather is really really hot. I think it's been over a week, like 10 days time, there is no rain and very hot weather. It's always like very dry and very hot, but there is a prediction that it might start rain next week. So next week start till 1 month, it's a prediction, weather forecast. So of course I have to share with you all the weather also. Because normally we are, now in the world the weather is changing, everywhere is going to start winter, most of the part, right? Even in Pakistan and all, many Asian European countries are really going to be snowy, but we are in still the moderate moderate or hot area. And we wait for rain. So because the only when it's rain the wind is so nice, and otherwise when we go out we really feel the heat. So it's nowadays is very hot. Hopefully it will get better next week, because there is a prediction, actually they said might tonight might rain also, which is quite good. It's a good news for us. Then we can really enjoy our tea time, our coffee and all the hot drinks. Otherwise right now we really want to have some cold drinks, some lemonade, that sorts of feeling. Because weather makes a lots of different in our mood, in our habits, everything. So when weather is pleasant, everything is good, everything is happy happening. But when weather is a bit hot, oh, the mood also blown up. So well, this is all part of life. As long as we are safe, we are happy, we are healthy, that is a big blessing from Allah, and for that we should be thankful. And I am thankful with all of you, my friends, that I have, on this platform, and it's growing and it making me so, happy, and so feel good and positive, whether I am away from few days, because of, the life is very busy. I have children and all. It's really is a quite busy life. So, but after all, I miss you guys a lot in everyday routine. So whenever I got a chance, I come up and speak to you guys. We are quite nearby to the place. I think another 1 minute we are going to be arrive. So it's like just we reach to the clinic, and then they say, because they have more people, and then now government have already extended the people for the clinic services for those people who are not yet vaccinated. And we got a private clinic number, and after that, after this clinic, we go and give them call. So they have given us appointment on I think on another 2 3 days time, on 20th of this month. So hopefully we can get our vaccine, and our one phase is done, which is because very important for nowadays. The vaccination is very very important. With that, I say goodbye to you. Okay, we have arrived to our destination. See you again. Bye bye. But stay connected.